If you've ever found yourself frustrated by awkward-looking text on your WordPress website, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to align text in WordPress using the block editor, often called Gutenberg. By the end of this video, you'll confidently adjust your text alignment to create a clean, professional look on any page or post. Let's jump right in. First, let's access your WordPress site's dashboard. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not, just head to and enter your details. Once you're in, locate the post or page you want to edit. You might find this under Posts or Pages in the sidebar menu, depending on where your content lives. Now, the heart of text alignment in WordPress revolves around blocks. The block editor is very visual, so every chunk of text, whether it's a paragraph, a heading, a quote, or even a list, is housed within its own block. Think of each block like a Lego brick you can move or customize. To align your text, simply click on the block you'd like to adjust. For example, if you've got a heading that feels too far left, click directly on it. You'll notice a little toolbar pops up just above or near the block. This is your main control panel for making quick style changes. Look for the alignment icon in this floating toolbar. Most often, it looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines. They might be all to the left, all in the center, or over to the right, depending on the current setting. Once you find this icon, click on it. A small dropdown will appear, letting you choose how you want the text within that block to be aligned, left, center, or right. Let's say you want your text to be centered for a balanced look. Click Align Center. You'll immediately see the text shift. This live preview helps you get a feel for how each alignment looks, so don't worry about experimenting a little. Want your headings to command attention? A centered heading often works great. Need your paragraph to match the standard flow of most websites? Keeping it aligned left is a safe bet. If you're creating contact details or smaller captions, right alignment can sometimes help set them apart. After you've made your selections, here's a key step some folks forget: saving your changes. In the top right corner, you'll notice a blue Update button, or it might say Publish if this is a brand new page. Click that and your adjusted text alignment goes live. If you don't hit Update, nothing will change on the public side, so always double-check this before you move on. This process is quick, but don't worry if it takes you a few tries to get familiar with the block editor. It's all part of the learning curve. And remember, you can always come back and realign text blocks later if you change your mind. Just repeat these steps anytime you want to tweak your content's appearance. And that's really it. No code, no plugins, just simple visual controls built into WordPress itself. Now your website can look, read, and feel more polished, with your text exactly where you want it. If this tutorial helped you get more comfortable with WordPress, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Got any questions, get stuck on a weird block, or have suggestions for a future tutorial? Drop them in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And make sure to subscribe for more fast and easy WordPress guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your website.